Back in the day, MG is a British brand synonymous with exciting roadsters that are fun to drive. So it begs the question, does the all-new 2019 MG6 still have its British roots? Let's find out. In 2007, the automaker has seen a new parent company by the name of Shanghai Automotive Industry Corporation or SAIC. Since then, MG has produced numerous cars that are affordable and practical. In short, MG is a British brand that's now owned and operated by the Chinese. The MG6 is a sleek and stylish fastback. It wears MG's latest design language, which features an aggressive front fascia with a smooth and sculpted body. I particularly like the London Eye-inspired LED DRLs that envelop the 3D Stardust grille. The roofline slopes down toward the rear boot lid, giving it an athletic and fast appearance. All those details finish off at the rear, which includes a chrome strip on the trunk to emphasize the vehicle's width. Generally, the MG6 gives the competition a run for their money with its premium design alone. Inside, the occupants are treated to an elegant dashboard that's well appointed and ergonomic. It's highlighted by an easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment system, while the dual-zone climate controls take real estate below. The air vents on opposite sides are circular, which makes directing airflow easier. Fit and finish is good considering the car's origin of manufacturing. Materials used is upscale in important areas like the dashboard, steering wheel, and the door panels. Don't get me wrong, there are still hard plastics present, but I'd be nitpicking. The driver holds a leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel with multifunction controls. Vehicle information is displayed through a mix of digital and analog gauges. A little fun fact, some of the controls and switchgear are the same with the China-made Volkswagens. Storage spaces are neatly located at the center console. Rear passengers have enough room even though there's a sloping roofline. Cargo capacity is rated at 15 cubic feet. Thanks to its large rear opening, fitting things inside isn't a chore, though if you need to haul larger cargo, the seats fold 60-40. Powering the MG6 is a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine, making 162 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. This is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that sends power to the front wheels. On paper, it would seem that the 6 favors efficiency, but you'd be impressed with how punchy and responsive the engine is. Off-the-line power delivery is abrupt and gear shifts are quick. It's a good thing there's a digital gauge because it's easy driving past the speed limit. Steering feel is light, making it easy maneuvering around the city. Gripes include a very sensitive brake pedal, and the dual-clutch transmission is somehow confused and jerky in traffic, which is a common trait of a DCT. The expansive windshield and well-sized windows provide great visibility outside. Overall, MG's rich sporting heritage still trickles down to one of its latest vehicles. The MG6 embodies a premium European design with interior appointments to match. The best part? The MG6 starts at 1,068,000 pesos, while the top-of-the-line variant is priced at around 1.2 million pesos. This alone makes for a compelling option to people looking for a subcompact vehicle with style, luxury, and technology. Okay everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot with the 2019 MG6. If you want to know more, you can visit MG's social and contact details in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button together with the bell icon to get notified once I upload a new video. Also, please do like my Facebook page, which is also linked in the description below. This has been TJ, and thanks for watching.